What is up, food fam? It's Bobby, and you guys have been requesting lots of keto snack recipes lately. So I just got back from the store because we're gonna turn this head of cauliflower into keto-friendly, cheesy, golden cauliflower tots. Because when I was a kid, we always had a bag of tater tots in the freezer. They were probably loaded with nasty ingredients and obviously very starchy and carby. So today we're gonna make a keto version of that is golden brown, perfectly cooked, cheesy and moist and delicious on the inside. So before we head upstairs in the kitchen, hook me up and subscribe to my channel. We're rocking out the healthiest and most importantly, the tastiest recipes on YouTube every Friday morning, and I would love for you to join the Flav City community. Let's go. So in front of me, I have one medium cauliflower that I took the florets off. You don't really want to use too much of the stalks for this one. Now you could do it old school style and use a box grater and just grate all the cauliflower, but welcome to the future, y'all. This is Chopper McGee. I love this guy and I have it fitted with my shredder attachment. So I don't have to use my biceps. I just use the machine and it's gonna do it for me. So that's the texture and consistency that we're looking for. Now this is probably the most important part of this recipe. The cauliflower is loaded with water. And if we bake it like this, they're not gonna get crispy and golden brown. So I'm gonna take a towel here and then spill out all the cauliflower and spread out the mixture just a little bit. Then treat that cauliflower like a baby and wrap them up in a bundle. And then start twisting towards the middle like that. And then you can do this over a sink or a bowl, but just keep wringing this literally as tight as you can, and look how much water comes out of that. And the cauliflower and most vegetables in general are just mostly 90% water. So by wringing out as much as we can, the cauliflower tots, once they go in the oven, are gonna get seriously golden brown and delicious, and that's the only way we roll around here, y'all. Oh, this is a serious bicep workout here. No need to go to the gym today, geez. So look at that. All of that water just came out of that cauliflower. I'm gonna spill this out in the sink and then use this bowl to season our cauliflower tot mixture. Now to make this mixture super flavorful, I'm gonna grab 1 cup of shredded cheese, Monterey Jack, cheddar, and provolone, but you can use any melty cheese you want. And then go ahead and crack 2 eggs into the bowl. Thought it'd be nice to add a few spices in there, so of course I'm reaching for a little bit of smoked paprika. Just a ½ teaspoon is gonna make these tots smoky and earthy, and a little pinch of cayenne pepper for spice. Add about a tablespoon or 2 of freshly chopped Italian parsley, a teaspoon of olive oil, pinch in ½ teaspoon of salt, and then a few cracks of black pepper. Now you could just form these into tots and bake them on a sheet tray, but we all know that I'm all about crunchification, so me thinks that if I bake them in a mini muffin tin that has more surface area to make it golden brown and delicious. But before I fill these guys up, you have to make sure to spray these with nonstick spray, otherwise they're really tough to get out. Let's grab some mixture here. And here's the key, you guys. You want to pack it in pretty tight. You don't want it to be loose until it comes up to the top, and then you're good. Let's grab some more cauliflower mixture and just pack it down. All right, these guys are packed and loaded. Into the oven they go for 20 to 21 minutes. All right, they took 21 minutes and they are looking golden brown and nice and crusty up around the edges. Check that out, you guys. Gently loosen them away from the tin, pop them out. Guys, is that golden brown and delish? All that surface area that was touching the muffin tin has gotten caramelized and crispy. This is my favorite part. While it's still hot, it's nice and soft. The cheese is melted. I don't know about you guys, but I love crispy, crunchy hash browns. This reminds me of a small, cute little portable version of that, but way healthier because the cauliflower, you guys are gonna love this one too. Well, that's it, you guys. The cauliflower tot recipe is down below. Share the video, subscribe if you wanna see 2 more amazing meal prep recipes. Check out the videos below me, but I will see you next week. Until then, keep on cooking.